Hello guys, and thanks for watching my tutorial. And this tutorial is about the Microsoft error 0x8007000b. So let's get started and solve the problem. This problem occurs when the Microsoft Windows cannot get update from this website, and the Windows Defender cannot update it from this service center. So it occurs when it is showing this error. So let's get started. On Windows Start menu, click and search cmd command prompt, and right click on command prompt, and it's run as administrator. And here's the cmd. And type here fsutil space resource space set auto reset space true space c clone slash, and press enter. And when you will execute this command, and I will recommend you to restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, you can see the effect on the control panel, and install your update, and it must update. It must can help solve your problem. And thank you, and please subscribe my channel and get updated